Meru is a blessed county. We are highly endowed in every sector. And you have all the political goodwill that you'd wish to have for you to operate and thrive and make the economy of this great land thrive and restore back the glory of Meru once again, and make Meru an avenue for other people to come and benchmark in the area of agriculture, in trade, in tourism, every sector, Mr. Chair. From the onset of this journey as the governor of Meru, I promise that I'll be available for you, to support you. I'll avail and create a conducive environment for private-public partnership in any area that you'd wish the Meru County government to come in and support our economy, because it is you people who are our employers, who are the sources of own source revenue. And once we close businesses, because I know your work is to support small businesses to grow, if we close them, it means we are closing the government. The pending bills, I know many have closed down their businesses. I'll do my best to my level best and utilize all mechanisms that are within my power to ensure that we've paid pending bills to our business people, so that again we can empower you to create wealth and also create job opportunities to our young people. Call upon the investors to come to Meru. To those who had fled away, invite them back. Tell them that now Meru is an avenue of peace, and we are going to intentionally, deliberately work towards creating that environment for business to thrive and to make our people richer and more wealthier.
As long as there is that transparency, we are willing and we are able and we have the resources to do that work. Governments, the world over, Your Excellency, hawafanyi biashara. Wao wanafanya ile climate environment inakuwa conducive kwa watu wafanye biashara sawa. And once watu wakipanuka, hata ushuru ndio pia inafanya nini? Na ndio nchi yetu inaweza kuendelea. Kwa hivyo sisi tumesema tumekuja kukuambia tuko na support yako. Piga tu firimbi anytime, we will be there to be able to support